turnkey rentals are great assets to invest. There's 4 things that I love about turnkey rentals. So let's write it down. Number 1, appreciation. Appreciation is really important when we have turnkey rentals. Why? Because as we are owning those properties and the mortgage is getting paid down, the properties are appreciating. Hopefully they're in emerging markets. Number 2, the C that stands for cash flow. Cash flow is very, very powerful because now you have the renter paying your mortgage down. Number 3, which is the mortgage. Now we have the renter paying our mortgage down. And the 4th one and last one is taxes, right? So think about it. You have a turnkey rental, you have a project, you have appreciation on your project. Might be a rental, it could be a multifamily, 100 unit building. You have cash flow, you have the mortgage being paid down, and then you can do some tax strategy.